In this video, I'll show you how to recover a hacked Discord account. Let's get started. If your Discord account has been hacked, the first thing you should try is resetting your password. Open Discord and enter your email, then tap on Forgot Password. Follow the steps to reset your password and regain access to your account. However, if the hacker has changed your email or password and you can't log in, don't worry, there's another way. Open your browser and search for Discord, submit a request. Open the official Discord support page. Once there, make sure you're signed in. If you can't sign in, you can create a new Discord account just to submit the request. Now, search for Hacked Account and select the option related to My Discord Account Was Hacked. Scroll down and click on Submit a Request. Fill out the form with your details, including your email, username, and approximate account creation date. Provide as much accurate information as possible so Discord can verify your identity. Once you've completed the form, submit your request. Discord support will review your case and usually respond within 24 to 72 hours. And that's it. That's how you can recover your hacked Discord account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.